30,000 subordinates. Natural magnetism and strong leadership defeated her highest-ranked officers with sheer strength alone. The 5th Emperor of the Sea has emerged. I'm so proud of you. He's so cool.
Did you think I would falter? The man who I have chosen to follow will surely be king of the pirates someday. I can't be intimidated by a mere Emperor of the Sea.
Now I can't help but look to the future. In 20 years, strong young pirates will come to the new world in droves and lead us to a new era. Do not fear if I die, for they shall appear in my stead and defeat pirates.